Good morning, student. Today we will learn next point of the chapter similarity, and that point is similar triangle. We know that triangles, congruent triangles, and we have to study similar triangles, similar triangles. So first try to understand what is meant by similar triangles. Then we have to study similarity between two triangles. Then we have to study test of similarity of triangles. So what is meant by similar triangles and what is the difference between similar triangles and congruent triangles? So study here if what is the definition of similar triangles when we have to given two triangles. Suppose here we have to given triangle ABC and here triangle PQ. Where the corresponding sides of these two triangles are in proportion. Where corresponding sides of these two triangles are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. This angle is congruent to this angle, this angle is congruent to this angle, and this angle is congruent to this angle. For triangle ABC and triangle PQ. These are the two triangles. When AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by, it means corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle. When corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent, then we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is the sign of similar triangle. Then we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Therefore, how will you define it? When corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Angles are congruent. Then two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar. बघा लक्षात घ्या, जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोणाचे संगत कोन एकरूप असतात आणि संगत बाजू कशा असतात, प्रमाणात असतात, तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण कसे असतात, समरूप असतात. Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. Therefore remember that there are 6 components are responsible for similarity of two triangles. या ठिकाणी 6 component कोणते आहेत? 3 corresponding sides and 3 angles. So what is the difference between congruent angles and congruent triangles and congruent similar triangles? Different is that in congruent triangles corresponding sides are congruent. But here remember that in similar triangle corresponding sides are in proportion. This is the definition of similar triangle. So remember that when corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion, प्रमाणात असतात, and corresponding angles are congruent, then two triangles are similar. जर दोन त्रिकोणाच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतील आणि संगत कोन एकरूप असतील तर ते दोन त्रिकोण कसे असतात, त्या ठिकाणी समरूप असतात, एवढं लक्षात घ्या. याच्यानंतर आपल्याला पाहिजे सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. So next point we have to study here. Test for similarity of triangles. So next point. So remember that definition of similar triangles and what is the difference between similar and congruent triangles. In congruent triangles, corresponding sides are congruent and corresponding angles are congruent. But in similar triangle, corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. So next point we have to study here. Test for similarity of triangles. So remember that when corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. But out of these 6 components, 6 components means 3 sides and 3 angles. Only 3 components are sufficient for the similarity of triangles. Only 3 components are sufficient for the similarity of two triangles out of these 6 components. And these group of these 3 components is called test for similarity of triangles. But you have to know that these 3 components are very essential for the similarity of two triangles. So test for similarity of triangles means a group of sufficient components. A group of sufficient components for the similarity of triangles is called test for similarity of triangles. बघा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप होण्यासाठी जे काही घटक लागतात त्या घटकांच्या समूहाला काय म्हटलं जातं तर त्रिकोणाच्या समरूपतेच्या कसोटी असं म्हटलं जातं. बघा या ठिकाणी आपण पहिली कसोटी या ठिकाणी पाहूया. दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए टेस्ट. बघा टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये पहिली टेस्ट असते ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो पहा ए टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. ए टेस्ट फॉर सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. या ठिकाणी ए टेस्ट काय सांगते लक्षात. ए टेस्ट मीन्स अँगल अँगल अँगल. Here 3 angles are very important. Then how will you define it? When we have to given 3 triangles, when we have to given 2 triangles such that suppose this is a triangle PQR and another triangle is given that KLL. Where in these 2 triangles in triangle PQR and triangle KLL, where in these 2 triangles first angle P is congruent to angle K, then angle Q is congruent to angle L, and angle R is congruent to angle M. 3 angles of first triangle are congruent to the corresponding 3 angles of other triangle. Then we can say that triangle PQR similar triangle KLM. KLM by which test? By test. This is called test of similarity for similar triangles. Test for similarity of triangles. In words we can say that when 3 angles of first triangle are congruent to, when 3 angles of first triangle are congruent to corresponding 3 angles of other triangle, corresponding 3 angles of other triangle, then we can say that these two triangles are similar by a test. बघा लक्षात घ्या, जर पहिल्या त्रिकोणाचे तीन कोन दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या तीन संगत कोनाशी एकरूप असतील तर ते दोन त्रिकोण ये कसोटीनुसार कसे असतात, समरूप असतात. This is called a test for similarity of triangles. In other words, we can say that for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, when three angles of first triangle are congruent to the corresponding three angles of the other triangle, then that two triangles are similar by a test. This is the first test for similarity of triangles. From this test, another test we can say that is a test. A test for similarity of triangles. A test for similarity of two triangles. बाळगीने ये टेस्ट देखील म्हणते. ये टेस्ट कशामुळे लक्षात घ्या, we know that when two angles of first triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then remaining angle is ultimately congruent. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, जर दोन संगत कोन दोन त्रिकोणाचे एकरूप असतील तर त्याचा तिसरा कोन आपोआप काय होत असतो, एकरूप होत असतो. लक्षात घ्या, when two angles of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. When two angles of the first triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then triangles are similar. By this way we can say that बघा, पहिल्या त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोन जर एकरूप असतील दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत कोनाशी, तरी ते दोन त्रिकोण कसे असतात, समरूप असतात. एवढं मात्र लक्षात घ्या, कारण दोन कोन जर एखाद्या कोणाचे दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणातील कोनाशी एकरूप असतील तर त्याचा तिसरा कोन हा अल्टिमेटली काय असतो, एकरूप असतो. दिस इज कॉल्ड ए टेस्ट. A test for similarity of two triangles, and first is A test for similarity of triangles. So remember that what is A test for similarity of triangles? For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, दोन त्रिकोणाच्या दिलेल्या एकाच एक संगतीनुसार, when three angles of first triangle are congruent to the corresponding three angles of the other triangle, then that two triangles are similar by which test? By a test. Next we have to study another test for similarity of triangles. So another test is SAS test. So second test is that SAS test. What is meant by SAS test? So remember that for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, first two sides of first triangle are congruent to in proportion to the corresponding two sides of other triangle, and their included angles are also congruent, then two triangles are similar by which test? SAS test. This Sayre's test for similarity of two triangles. So we can draw here two figures. Suppose we have given here 2, 4, here 3 and 6. These two triangles are PQR, here XYZ. These are the two triangles. In triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. When we can calculate PQ divided by XY. PQ is 2 and XY is 3. And then QR divided by YZ 4 by 6 means it is also 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It means PQ divided by XY is equal to QR divided by YZ. First two sides of first triangle are in proportion with corresponding two sides of other triangle. And here remember that angle Q is quadrant to angle Y. Q and Y is quadrant I. Therefore we can say that triangle PQR is similar triangle XYZ. By which test? Yes, yes. Further I say these two triangles are quadrant by which test? Yes, yes test. In words we can say that for a given correspondence of triangles दोन त्रिकोणाच्या संगतीनुसार for a given correspondence of triangles two sides of first triangle are in proportion to corresponding sides of other triangle and their included angle